Ever feel like your bank account is slowly draining and you can't quite put your finger on where it's all going? You're not alone. In today's world, we're bombarded with enticing subscription offers for everything from streaming services to productivity apps. It's incredibly easy to sign up for a free trial, enjoy the service for a month, and then completely forget about it. Months, even years, can pass with those recurring charges silently chipping away at your hard-earned money. Think about it. How many times have you scrolled past an ad promising a free week of a new fitness app, only to realize 3 months later you're still being billed? Or that language learning platform you were so enthusiastic about in January? Is it still getting used, or is it just another forgotten line item on your credit card statement? These phantom subscriptions are more common than you might think. Companies are experts at making the sign-up process seamless, often requiring just a few clicks. But the cancellation process? Well, that can sometimes feel like navigating a labyrinth designed to discourage you from leaving. They bank on our forgetfulness, our busy lives, and the sheer inconvenience of tracking down and canceling each individual subscription. The cumulative effect of these small, seemingly insignificant monthly charges can be staggering. What might seem like $10 or $15 here and there can quickly add up to hundreds, even thousands, of dollars wasted each year on services you no longer use or never truly needed in the first place. That's money that could be going towards your savings goals, a fun experience, or simply providing you with greater financial peace of mind. So, how do you fight back against these sneaky subscription vampires? That's where Rocket Money comes in. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a personal finance app designed to help you take control of your spending. One of its most powerful features is its ability to identify and track your subscriptions, even the ones you've completely forgotten about. Today, we're diving deep into the world of forgotten subscriptions and how Rocket Money can help you unearth them. We'll explore some of the most common culprits and show you exactly how this app can be your secret weapon in reclaiming your financial freedom. Let's get started. One of the biggest categories of forgotten subscriptions lies in the realm of streaming services. We live in the golden age of content, with a seemingly endless array of platforms offering movies, TV shows, music, and podcasts. It's easy to subscribe to multiple services to catch that one must-see show or access a specific library of music. But how often do you actually use all of them? Think about that third or fourth streaming platform you signed up for months ago. Did you binge watch that one series you were interested in and then never log in again? Are you paying for a music service that you rarely use because you primarily listen to another platform? These subscriptions often fly under the radar because the monthly charge feels relatively small, and the thought of canceling seems like more effort than it's worth. However, over a year, even a $10 monthly streaming service adds up to $120 wasted on something you're not even enjoying. Another common area for forgotten subscriptions is software and apps. From photo editing suites to productivity tools, the digital landscape is filled with subscription-based software. You might have signed up for a premium version of an app to access certain features for a specific project, and then the need for those features disappeared. But the subscription? It often lingers on. Consider that cloud storage service you upgraded for a short-term need, or that grammar-checking tool you used heavily for a school paper. Are you still utilizing those premium features every month? Or are you essentially paying for digital space and functionalities that are gathering virtual dust? These subscriptions can range from a few dollars to upwards of $30 or more per month, significantly impacting your budget if left unchecked. The fitness and wellness industry is another fertile ground for forgotten subscriptions. Gym memberships are a classic example. Many people start the year with the best intentions, signing up for a gym membership with enthusiasm. But as the months go by, life gets in the way, and those regular workouts become less frequent, eventually ceasing altogether. Yet, the monthly fees continue to be deducted. Beyond gym memberships, the rise of fitness apps and online workout programs has introduced another layer of potential forgotten subscriptions. That yoga app you used religiously for a few weeks, or that personalized workout plan you invested in, are they still actively contributing to your well-being, or are they just another recurring charge you've overlooked? Meal kits and food delivery services can also contribute to the problem. The convenience of having pre-portioned ingredients or meals delivered to your doorstep is undeniable. However, life circumstances change. You might start eating out more, find less time to cook, or simply lose interest in the service. If you don't actively pause or cancel your subscription, those weekly or monthly deliveries and the associated charges will continue. Think about that meal kit service you tried for a few months. Did you cancel after the introductory offer ended, or are you still receiving and potentially wasting ingredients? What about that grocery delivery service you used during a busy period? Are you still paying for a membership even though you now prefer to shop in person? Even seemingly small subscriptions for digital content and newsletters can add up. Many websites and creators offer exclusive content or ad-free experiences through paid subscriptions. You might have signed up for a few of these to support creators you admired or access valuable information. But as your interests evolve or your inbox becomes overwhelmed, these subscriptions can easily be forgotten. Consider those newsletters you initially found insightful but now rarely read, or that premium access to a website you no longer visit. Each individual charge might seem insignificant, but collectively, they can represent a substantial drain on your finances. So, how does Rocket Money help you uncover these hidden financial leaks? The app works by securely connecting to your bank and credit card accounts. Once connected, it intelligently analyzes your transaction history to identify recurring payments. It then presents you with a clear and organized list of all your subscriptions, making it easy to see exactly where your money is going each month. The beauty of Rocket Money lies in its simplicity and comprehensiveness. It doesn't just show you the name of the merchant, it often provides additional details like the amount of the charge and the frequency of billing. This allows you to quickly identify subscriptions you no longer recognize or use. Beyond simply listing your subscriptions, Rocket Money empowers you to take action. With just a few taps, you can cancel unwanted subscriptions directly through the app. This eliminates the often frustrating process of navigating website cancellation pages or contacting customer service. Rocket Money acts as your personal subscription management assistant, streamlining the entire process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.